Gold History and Facts. Questions with answers. Why was gold so important in history? Gold was discovered in its most basic and natural state in streams and in the ground of the ancient world. And gold is one of the first precious metals known to mankind. As a natural response to its beauty and rarity, gold became a symbol of royalty and glamour in nearly every culture that was able to obtain it. Why is the gold symbol AU? Gold symbol on the periodic table is AU, that was used because of its Latin name aurum. It is an expensive metal with a high boiling point that is used as money and or jewelry. Gold aurum is a transition metal that can form trivalent and univalent captions during solvation. Gold is element 79 and its symbol is aurum. Gold has only one natural occurring stable isotope, Aurum 197. What is gold mostly used for? Pure gold is soft and is usually allied with other metals such as silver, copper, platinum, or palladium to increase its strength. Gold alloys are used to make jewelry, decorative items, dental fillings, and coins. The amount of gold in an alloy is measured with a unit called a carat. Why is gold so important to us? The metal is abundant enough to create coins, but rare enough so that not everyone can produce them. Gold doesn't corrode, providing a sustainable store of value, and humans are physically and emotionally drawn to it. Societies and economies have placed value on gold, thus perpetuating its worth. What are the common uses of gold? Dentistry and medicine. Gold is considered as the best filling for cavities and crowns, bridges, and other orthodontic appliances because the metal is ductile and can easily take shapes. Electronics and computers, medals and statues, jewelry. Why gold considered as a safe asset and the most preferred investment? Because of its high and standard return value, it has been used as currency for centuries. Even now, one of the safe gold investments is to buy gold bars. People buy gold bars and it is considered as a safe asset. It seems like that last few years everything has been aligned to bring gold as the most preferred investment, raising the precious metal steeply into popularity. People buy gold bars, gold coins and bullion as a common investment practice. Can gold be man made? Yes, gold can be created from other elements, but the process requires nuclear reactions and it is so expensive that you currently cannot make money by selling the gold that you create from other elements. Every atom containing 79 protons is a gold atom, and all gold atoms behave the same chemically. How gold is created? Traditionally, gold in the universe is thought to have formed by the R process, rapid neutron capture in supernova nucleosynthesis. But more recently, it has been suggested that gold and other elements heavier than iron may also be produced in quantity by the R process in the collision of neutron stars. Why is gold yellow? Gold appears yellow because it absorbs blue light more than it absorbs other visible wavelengths of light. The reflected light reaching the eye is therefore locking in blue compared to the incident light. Since yellow is complementary to blue, this makes a piece of gold under white light appear yellow to human eyes. Who is the richest gold miner in the world? Gina Rinehart. Ukraine's Rinat Akhmatov holds 71.25% stake in Metinvest. Gina Rinehart is the world's richest mining billionaire. What is gold purity? Caratage is the measurement of purity of gold allied with other metals. 24 carat is pure gold with no other metals. Lower caratages contain less gold. 18 carats gold contains 75% gold and 25% other metals, often copper or silver. Is 18K gold good quality? 18K gold is a good choice if you want a piece of jewelry that is reasonably pure but it is not overly soft. This alloy, along with 14K gold, is a good compromise between durability and purity. Of course, 14K gold is harder and more durable. Why is Indian gold so yellow? There is a trend of fancy and lightweight gold jewelry out of India, so they have to mix alloys to craft a fancy and durable jewelry. This is the reason the gold in other countries looks light in color. On the other hand, Indians use 24 karat gold jewelry that looks fine yellow in color. What is the purity of 22 karat gold? To calculate the purity level of 22 karat gold, you just divide 22 by 24 as 24 karat is 100% pure. This comes out to be 0.9166. When this is multiplied by 100, it becomes 91.66 percentage, which is the purity of your 22 karat gold. What does 999 mean on gold? 999 gold is considered the best purity of gold readily available and is described as being 24 karat. This refers to purity in parts per thousand, known as fineness, meaning 999 parts are gold. How can I buy 24K gold in USA? If you are looking to buy gold in the USA, there are three basic options. Purchase from a reputable online gold broker recommended. Purchase from a local coin shop or bullion dealer. Invest in gold ETFs, investment funds through your brokerage account. What is KDM Hallmark? Hallmark sign ensures that the gold you have bought conforms to a set of standards. KDM jewelry. KDM jewelry is gold alloy where cadmium is used as a solder or filler with a ratio of 92% gold and 8% cadmium. Now it is banned by BIS and advanced solders such as zinc and copper have been introduced. What is BIS hallmark gold? The BIS hallmark is a hallmarking system for gold as well as silver jewelry sold in India, certifying the purity of the metal. It certifies that the piece of jewelry conforms to a set of standards laid by the Bureau of Indian Standards, the National Standards Organization of India. Is Indian jewelry 24 karat gold? 24 karat gold is more valuable than 22 karat gold and 18 karat gold. The gold sold in India should bear the BIS hallmark symbol as a certificate of purity and should conform to a set of standards laid by the Bureau of Indian Standards BIS. Why is 24 karat gold not used for jewelry? 24 karat gold is so soft that it could easily be deformed and lose its firm grip on a jewel and allow it to slip or fall out of your ornament. Hence, order to have an ornament that is stronger, gold of less than 24K is always an alloy with other metals such as copper, silver, or platinum. Does gold float in water? Gold is hydrophobic. It repels water. Because of this, even if the piece of gold is first completely submerged, if it gets near the surface, it will throw off the water above it and float. Since most placer gold is flat and thin, its weight is small relative to its circumference, so it will usually float. What is the cheapest way to buy gold? Gold bars are the cheapest way to purchase gold coins. They are also a regular investment vehicle that are traded daily. Most common is the 400 Woods Comex bar. Which country has the purest gold? China. Chinese gold jewelry, ornament and gold statues are generally 24K pure gold. They usually don't know that the gold is likely 24K pure gold. Some gold buyers may take advantage of people who don't know that the gold is pure 24K gold. What is a 916 gold? 916 gold, for those who don't know, 916 gold is nothing but 22 karat gold. The number 916 is actually used to denote the purity of gold in the final product, which means 91.6 grams of pure gold in 100 gram of alloy. Which gold is best, KDM or hallmark? KDM gold, on the other hand, provides no guarantee on the purity and fitness of gold jewelry as it is not certified. It's quite simple to say that hallmarked BIS 916 gold would be the better choice when the purity is of greatest concern. How can you tell 24K gold? Drop a little acid from the bottle with the lowest carat number on the scratch mark and observe the reaction. If the gold is a higher carat than the label on the bottle, then you will not see any change in the mark's color. What means 24K gold? 24K gold. A 24 karat gold is 100% pure gold and doesn't have any other metal mixed. In the local market, it is known as 99.9% pure and has a distinct bright yellow color. The 24 karat gold is more expensive than 22 or 18 karat gold. Is Indian gold good quality? Practically, it is 99.95% pure. 99.99 pure gold is difficult to find these days. For investment purposes, this is the best gold to buy. It is not used to make jewelry though, as it is too soft to be molded into intricate designs and maintain its shape. Is 24K gold pure? A carat is 1 by 24 part of pure gold by weight. So 24 karat gold is pure gold. To find the percentage of gold in an object when the purity is stated in carats, multiply the number of carats by 100 and divide by 24. For example, 12 karat gold is 50% pure gold. Which is best gold, 22K or 24K? To get the most gold for your money, look for 22K or 24K. Also, since 24K is pure gold, it is usually to tad more expensive than 22K or 18K. 22K jewelry is a little more durable than 24K since it is mixed with harder metals like copper or silver. 18K and 14K contain even more base metals and are thus even more durable. Can I wear 18K gold every day? The alloy is what makes the gold stronger and is perfect for everyday wear. 18K gold is typically seen as a special occasion gold such as engagement rings, anniversary rings, etc. Since we started kin, we often get asked whether you can wear our jewelry if you are allergic to nickel. What is KDM full form? KDM stands for cadmium. The finish of a gold ornament depends to a great extent on the quality of its soldering material. The conventional soldering process is long, strenuous, and uneconomical, which has had led to the use of cadmium as a solder. What is the symbol of hallmark gold? Any gold jewelry which is hallmarked by the BIS will bear the BIS logo indicating that its purity is verified in one of its licensed laboratories. According to the BIS website, it is the only agency in India approved by the government for hallmarking gold articles of any kind to ensure its purity. Can you wear 24K gold every day? Also known as the gold standard, 24K is 100% pure gold. This is because pure gold is very soft and tends to scratch and bend easily, making it impractical for daily wear in most cases. Who owns the most gold in world? The United States. The United States owns the most gold of any country, according to an analysis of data from the International Monetary Fund published on HowMuch.net website. The US's reserve of gold equals 8,133 tons, worth more than $373 billion. Germany comes in second with 3,369 tons, worth more than $154 billion. Does gold form on Earth? Gold is not formed on the earth like diamonds and many other gems and minerals. Instead, most scientists now believe that gold actually came to earth from outer space in large meteorites that have struck the planet over billion of years. What element family is gold in? Noble metal. Gold is a noble metal and falls into the transitional metal family on the periodic table in group number 11. Gold is a chemical element with the symbol Au, Latin Rm, and atomic number 79, making it one of the higher atomic number elements that occur naturally. In a pure form, it is bright, slightly reddish yellow, dense, soft, malleable, and ductile metal. How much gold is there on earth? Between all of the gold sources in the world, current estimates suggest that roughly 2,500 to 3,000 tons of new gold is mined each year. At present, experts believe that the total amount of above ground gold in the world stands at just over 190,000 tons. How much unmined gold is left in the world? Unlike oil, though gold is not used up in consumption, it is typically stashed away in a vault or worn as jewelry. Estimates for all the gold in the world mined to date hover around 1,65,000 metric tons. Some estimates go as high as 1 million tons, but most experts would agree that under 200,000 is accurate. Where is gold most commonly found? Gold is primarily found as the pure native metal. Sylvanite and calverite are gold bearing minerals. Gold is usually found embedded in quartz veins or placer stream gravel. It is mined in South Africa, the USA, Nevada, Alaska, Russia, Australia, and Canada. Is gold made on earth? Gold is an inert element, therefore, it is not actually formed, but instead exists in its natural state, contained within the Earth's crust. When referring to the formation of gold, we are actually discussing gold deposits such as gold flakes, nuggets, ores, and veins. Where is world's largest gold mine situated? Discovered in 1988 in the remote highlands of the Sudiraman mountain range, in the province of Papua, Indonesia, Grasberg is the world's largest gold mine. Can the earth run out of gold? Based on known reserves, estimates suggest that gold mining could reach the point of being economically unsustainable by 2050, though new vein discoveries will likely push that date back somewhat. Fortunately, gold has not run out yet and is widely considered a wise investment option for any investor. What is gold sand? Gold Sand Beach is located in the southern tip of the Shandong Peninsula of seashore in Phoenix Island, Hungdo district of Qingdao. It is near Yellow Sea in the south. Its shape is like the crescent. Gold Sands Beach is more than 3,500 meters long and 300 meters wide. What river has the most gold? Gold in the Goulburn River, Australia. Gold is most frequently found in the river Goulburn. Alluvial gold deposits refer to layers of sand or gravel where precious minerals can be found. Water helps to detect the presence of gold in ores. Experienced swimmers go underwater and with the use of a screwdriver or a knife pull gold nuggets out of the geological formation. Gold is most frequently found in the river Goulburn. Why is gold found in riverbeds? Alluvial gold, the flakes and small nuggets found in Britain rivers, is exposed from mining, earthquakes, and erosion. Once the current settles, these deposits of gold will sink into the gravel and dirt of the riverbed. Can you find gold with metal detector? All metal detectors will find gold nuggets if they are in the ground and big enough. not just gold detectors. A gold metal detector is simply a detector designed specifically to detect tiny targets in mineralized ground. Can gold be destroyed? Gold is one of the 92 naturally occurring elements found on Earth. There is no known natural substance that can destroy gold. It can be dissolved by chemical means, but even then it remains as gold, only in a more widely dispersed state. Gold is not magnetic, but it is an excellent conductor of electricity. Does gold come from space? Why do you find nuggets of gold on the surface of the earth? Asks science writer John Emsley. The answer to that is that they have arrived here from space in the form of meteorites. This theory has come in the last few decades to be held by the majority of the scientists as a way of explaining gold's abundance on earth. Is gold in the human body? The human body is composed of many elements, including gold in trace amounts. According to the technical treatise, the Elements third edition, written by John Emsley and published by the Clarendon Press, Oxford in 1998, the average person's body weighing 70 kilograms would contain a total mass of zero point 0.2 milligrams of gold. Can we make gold from mercury? Gold can currently be manufactured in a nuclear reactor by the irradiation of either platinum or mercury using fast neutrons. The mercury isotope 198 Hg, which composes 9.97% of natural mercury, can be converted by splitting of a neutron and becoming 197 Hg, which then decays into stable gold. How can I test gold at home? Simply take a few drops of vinegar and drop it onto your gold item. If the drops alter the color of the metal, then it is not real gold. If your item is real gold, the drops will not change the color of the item. What kind of soil is gold found in? Gold is found in the sand soils of rivers and mountain rocks. These deposits are purified, refined by metallurgical processing. What colors is pure gold? Yellow. Pure gold is slightly reddish yellow in color, but colored gold in various other colors can be produced. Colored golds can be classified in three groups: alloys with silver and copper in various proportions, producing white, yellow, green, and red golds. These are typically malleable alloys. What is the rarest type of gold? The ram's horn found in 1887 at a Colorado gold mine is over 4.7 inches tall and weighs roughly half a pound. It has naturally split into three curling tendrils and represents the rarest form of gold ever found. Why is gold precious? Though gold is quite abundant, because of its high popularity, it becomes very valuable. Another reason due to which gold works well in terms of value is because gold doesn't readily oxidize, thus, it maintains a constant weight. Other metals such as iron rusts and copper gets oxidized. Do we need gold? Throughout history, gold has been seen as a special and valuable commodity. Today, owning gold can act as a hedge against inflation and deflation alike, as well as a good portfolio diversifier. As a global store of value, gold can also provide financial cover during geopolitical and macroeconomic uncertainty. What is special about gold? Gold has unique physical chemical characteristics that made it very valuable. Gold is the most malleable and ductile of all the metals. Gold has the highest corrosion resistance of all the metals, and it is corroded only by a mixture of nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. Gold is a noble metal because it doesn't oxidize. Is gold an asset? Gold is a highly liquid yet scarce asset, and it is no one's liability. It is bought as a luxury good as much as an investment. As such, Gold can play four fundamental roles in a portfolio: a source of long term returns. Is platinum better than gold? Platinum is stronger and more durable. Though both gold and platinum are strong and durable precious metals, platinum is the stronger and more durable of the two. For example, the prongs holding the center stone of a platinum engagement ring are less likely to break than those of a gold engagement ring.